Porch conversions. Transforming outdoor spaces into winter retreats. Enclosed porches provide year-round enjoyment, protecting spaces from cold weather. Proper insulation and weatherproofing ensure a cozy, draft-free environment. Heating solutions like radiant floors or electric fireplaces enhance comfort. Large windows maximize natural light, brightening the space and connecting it to nature. Weatherproof furniture and decor create a functional yet stylish winter retreat. Porch conversions add value to homes by expanding usable living areas. They can serve multiple purposes, such as a home office, family space, or wellness retreat. Seasonal decor can personalize the space and adapt it for any holiday or occasion. Conversions improve energy efficiency, reducing heating costs by acting as a buffer to the elements. They offer long-term versatility, seamlessly transitioning between winter and other seasons.